I'm going to show you how to fix the PhysX SDK Not Initialized in Mafia 2, so make sure to follow my steps. So for the first step, you should go to your browser, type in exactly like this, Mafia 2 PhysX download, and select the first link that belongs to NVIDIA. Once done, you should find the system software SDK displayed right here. See if your PC is compatible with it. After that, select download now. Once done, you need to select this download button right here. It will start downloading, so wait for it to finish. All you have to do is to open it. This window will pop up, so select I accept. After that, click on next. Just wait for it to finish. It has been successfully installed. Click on this finish button. Now close everything. Go to the Windows icon. After that, select settings. Go to the Windows update in the bottom left corner and select download and install all the pending updates. If you do have failed updates, select retry all. Once done, go open the Steam launcher or the launcher that you have the game on. Then go to the view option. After that, go to the library. Search for the Mafia 2 game. Once you select it, click on this gear icon and then click on properties. Go to installed files and click verify integrity of game files. It will start by verifying any corrupted or missing file. It will recover them as fast as possible. Just wait for the process to finish, and then you can close all of this. Try restarting your computer, try relaunching the game, and see if the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.